Laced woodpecker parent feeding the chicks. The male woodpecker is feeding the chicks. Scientific name, Picus vittatus. The male has olive-green upperparts, red crown to nape, black submestarchial stripe with fine whitish streaks, gray ear coverts and faintly scaled belly to vent. Female resembles male but has black crown to nape. Juvenile is duller with more scaled appearance on belly. The female woodpecker is feeding the chicks. Thank you for watching. To view more wildlife clips, please visit my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@alparamalam1550 and subscribe.